So next we're gonna want to learn that little progression, right? We always want to have a little bit of fun, so I think that's a fun little exercise. So we start with E7. Okay? So we take the E and we remove the ring finger, right? We are index first G and middle finger second A, and everything else is open. So that's an E7, as we have learned in a past lesson. So we go, and we're basically going to just slide down. So that's the first part of that. Second, third, fourth, third, second, first. Just a nice little groovy melody. So watch my strumming. Slide. Make it a little more tasty, right? So either or. You play that a few times and you're gonna make it your own. Then we'll go down to an A7. So basically A with the ring finger removed, but I just use middle, second fret, D string, and ring finger, second fret, B string. So we basically do the same thing. Or with a little bit of sliding. Then back up. And then the turnaround goes B, A sharp, A, G sharp, G, there's always a little bit of an up strum. Just practice this any way you want, you know, depending on your strumming skills. So I'm going to play it really slow. Just a very dreamy kind of a tune. Okay, so that concludes lesson number 6. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel right down here. Somewhere should be an icon. Leave me a comment if you find this helpful or not. So you have a bunch of stuff to practice. Your E-shaped bar chord. Make sure that you can make a nice A, maybe a nice B, and maybe a nice G, right? And then venture further up and down the neck. Then of course you have to practice the major scale. And then of course the minor pentatonic. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.